Hello children, our chapter is sound. Characteristics of vibration. First, we have to know what is vibration. The to and fro motion of a body through the same path about its mean position. That is referred to as vibration. For example, we all know pendulum. So, the to and fro motion of the pendulum about its mean position, that is referred to as vibration. This is also known as oscillatory motion. So, there are three important characteristics of vibration. They are amplitude, frequency and time period. See the picture given, a spring when it stretches out. When a weight is lifted through the spring, suspended through the spring, what happen? It will stretch. So, vibration will happen above of the to and fro motion of this spring. Similar way in a swing. Amplitude of a sound wave. See, it can be defined as maximum displacement of the particles from their mean position due to vibrations. The SI unit of amplitude is meter. See, when a stationary body stuck slowly, it has less amplitude. Frequency. The number of oscillations an object takes per second, that is referred to as frequency. The SI unit of frequency is hertz. 1 hertz is equal to 1 oscillation per second. 20 hertz is equal to 20 oscillations per second. Time period of a sound wave. The time taken for one complete oscillation of a sound wave is referred to as time period. The SI unit of time period is second. Frequency is equal to 1 by time period. So in short form we can write it as F is equal to 1 by capital T. Characteristics of sound. A sound has three main categories: loudness, pitch, quality. Loudness. See, the loudness of the sound depends on the amplitude of the sound. If the amplitude is less, the sound will be feeble. If the amplitude is more, the sound is loud. So, the loudness of the sound is directly proportional to square of its amplitude. The SI unit for measuring loudness of the sound is decibel. Loudness of the sound coming from various sources. See, when the clock is ticking, it will be 20 decibel. If a bird is singing song, that is 30 decibel. In a quiet room, 40 decibel. Moderate rainfall, 50 decibel. So, the rock music peak is 150 decibel. So, loudness of sound will be varying according to the different sources. Pitch of the sound. The pitch is also referred to as shrillness of the sound. See, every person has different sound quality. The same way, every musical instrument also vibrates to produce different kinds of sound. So, it is characterized by different quality of sounds, but it may have same pitch and loudness. So, the pitch of a sound, that is shrillness or flatness, depends upon the frequency of the sound wave. If the frequency is less, the sound has low pitch. For example, sound of a drum. If the frequency is more, the sound has a high pitch. Example, sound of a whistle. Different organisms produce different pitches. For example, sound produced by drum, the pitch will be low. Bird, the pitch will be high. Lion, the pitch will be low. Sound produced by man, the pitch will be low. The sound produced by woman, pitch of the sound will be high. So, different organisms have different type of sound because of their varied pitch. Loudness and pitch of a sound. If loudness increases, automatically pitch will be decreasing. If loudness decreases, the pitch will be increasing. How loudness and pitch are different from each other. Pitch, it depends upon the frequency of the sound. Loudness depends upon the amplitude of the sound waves. Pitch is how our ears react to the frequency of a sound. Loudness also depends upon the energy of the sound wave. Pitch of the sound helps in recognizing whether the sound is flatter or shriller. The loudness of a sound helps in recognizing whether a sound is loud or feeble. High frequency will be producing shorter wavelength and shriller sound. Low frequency, that is longer wavelength but flatter sound. In a loudness, high amplitude produces loud sound. Low amplitude produces feeble sound. Quality of the sound. Quality is also called as timbre. So quality is the characteristics of musical sound which enables us to distinguish between the sounds of same pitch and loudness produced by different musical instruments and different singers. For example, we can easily distinguish between the sounds produced by a flute and a violin even without seeing the instruments. This is because sounds produced by a flute and violin differ in quality. Same way, we can even recognize a person from his voice even without seeing him on the basis of the unique quality of his voice. Answer the following questions. What is vibration? Define amplitude and write the SI unit of amplitude. Define frequency. Write the SI unit of frequency. What is the SI unit of sound? Do the following activity and record your observation. Refer chapter 13, Sound, activity 13.10 in page number 163, activity 13.11 in page number 164.